Welcome to my channel. Today we will try to draw Luffy from One Piece. I start with the nose, very easy. Then continue drawing the eyes. One Piece has very easy shape, so it would not be so difficult for beginner. Repeat the similar step for the other eyes. Just draw a circle for the eyes, add a dot, and when drawing the eyebrow, basically only a line. It's very easy to draw the mouth too. For the mouth, it's basically only oval shape. Then add line at the top and at the bottom for the teeth. Okay, then we will continue to do the hair using triangle shape and repeat it several times. Draw for the left and the right side. Make it have a variation. I think the shape of the face a little bit wide. I'll trim it to make it more slim. Now draw the ear. Don't make it too big. Place it between the eyes and the nose. Do the same for the other one. Now we will draw Luffy's hair, but remember Luffy is wearing a hat, so the upper top of his hair is cut off by the bottom part of the head. Then draw the head. The line ends near his ear. Do the same for the other side. Okay, then from here I'll leave you with the time lapse and I'll put some music so you will not get bored hearing only my voice. For shading, gradually lighten the pressure of the pencil to create an illusion of the light part. I decided the light part is at the center of the head. You can do it whatever you like. You can decide where the lights comes from. Basically, the hand movement when rendering, just like scratching, you move your wrist up and down in this case, and when I did the head, the ribbon, I move from left to right rapidly. After we have done with the rendering, now it's time to give some weight into the lines so it would create some more depth into it. If you like so far, please consider to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so in the future if I upload new videos you'll get the notification. Thank you for watching and see you guys on my next videos.